Today we will discuss a new topic, remainder and factor theorem. So first of all, remainder theorem, and second theorem is factor theorem. So what is the meaning of remainder theorem? Remember, if there is a function of x, we denote fx as the function of x. For example, x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5 is a function of x. So we can represent it as fx equals to x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, means function f is a function of x. This is called as f is the f equals to x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. We read it as f equals to x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. We have not to read it as fx, or we read it as f is a function of f such that x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5. F is in terms of x. It means that f is in terms of x only. Okay, if we write fa, so all the terms of right hand side will be converted from x to a cube plus 3a square minus 4a plus 5. If we write it fb, so all the terms of right hand side are converted from x to b cube plus 3b square minus 4b plus 5. Okay, if we write k in place of x, so it becomes k cube plus 3k square minus 4k plus 5. Okay, if we write 1 in place of x, so we write it 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 5. So it is 1 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 minus 4 is 5. So f1 is 5. Okay. Similarly, if we find f2, if fx equals to x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus 5, we can take other letters also in place of f. Still they will be termed as the function. For example, if we take in place of f, if we take q or p, let's assume that px is a function. P is a function of x such that x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square minus 8. Okay, px equals to x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square minus 8. So what will be the value of p1? So we place both sides in place of x1. In this side, in place of x we put 1. So in this side also we substitute x equals to 1. So it becomes 1 to the power 4 minus 5 into 1 cube plus 6 into 1 square minus 8. That is 1 minus 5 plus 6 minus 8. So it is 1 plus 6, 7 minus 13 equals to minus 6. Okay. In this way. We also can take in place of x we substitute minus 1. Then it becomes minus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 5 into minus 1 whole cube plus 6 into minus 1 whole square minus 1. This is not the statement of remainder theorem. This is the things which will be used in remainder theorem. That's why I am discussing them first. So value of x is if taken as minus 1 in left hand side, so it will be taken as x equals to minus 1 in right hand side also. Minus 1 to the power 4 minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 6 into minus 1 square is plus 1. So we don't write it 6 1 plus 6. Minus 1 to the power 4 is 1. 1 minus minus plus 5 plus 6 minus 8. So it becomes 1 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12 minus 8 equals to 4. Okay. So this is the meaning of P. It is only the P is in terms of x. Px means P is in terms of x and its value is xp equals to x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square minus 6. Sometimes we use the symbol q or f or g or p. Okay, all these are termed as function. F is the function of x. P is the function of x, means P is in terms of x. Q is the function of x, like qx equals to, we can write ax cube plus 4x square plus bx minus c. Then q is the function of x, a, b, c are only the constants, like 4 is the coefficient of x square. Similarly, a is the coefficient of x cube, s cube is the function of x, not the function of a. Means all the other things other than x are constants, only x is variable. It can have any value, 1, minus 1, k, a, b, c, etc. Okay. Now statement of Now we study about the statement of remainder theorem. If fx means it is the function of x. If fx is divided by x minus a, if fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder equals to fa. Okay. If fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to fa. This is remainder theorem. This is the statement of remainder theorem. Means if fx is divided by x minus a, remainder is fa. It means if fx equals to, for example, if we take fx equals to 8x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 6, okay, and dividing fx, that is 8x cube plus so for writing it in short method, short abbreviation, we use f. So with that we have not to write this again and again, 8x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 6, and dividing fx by x minus 2. If we divide this by x minus 2, we are not to divide properly by this method. You know how to divide by this method, 8x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 6 to find the remainder. We first take first terms only, 8x cube upon x is 8x square. If we divide it is 8x cube minus 8x 16x square. So it is cancelled out, 5x square plus 16x square, 21x square minus x. Then it is multiplied by 21x. So it is 21x square minus 42x. Then we again subtract, it will be cancelled out. 41x plus 6. So we write 41. So it becomes 41x minus 82. And on subtracting, 82 plus 6 is 88. So the remainder is 88. So we have to find like this. But using remainder theorem, we have not to do this. As we have observed that remainder is 88. Remainder is 88. We can find it without dividing. Using remainder theorem, we can find this remainder by using remainder. Remainder equals to, I have told you the theorem. If fx is divided by x minus a, the remainder is fa. So if fx is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is f2. That is, in place of x we substitute 2. So 8 into 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square minus 2 plus 6. 8 is 64 plus 20 minus 2 plus 6. 64 plus 20, 84 plus 6, 90 minus 2, 88. So you have not to divide. You have only to write the answer without dividing by using remainder theorem. Okay. And I am posting this sheet which you have to solve after writing this theory. Okay, statement of remainder theorem is, if fx is divided, if for example if fx is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is f2. In place of x there will be 2. So fx, which we have assumed as 8x2 plus 5x square plus x plus c. The remainder is 8 into, in place of x we write 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square minus 2 plus 6. So it is 64 plus 20 minus 2 plus 6, 88. Okay. Similarly, there can be one more example. I am giving you one more example. When gx equals to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x square plus 6x minus 5 is divided by x minus 3, remainder equals to g3, means in place of x we write 3. So 3 into 3 to the power 4 minus 4 into 3 square plus 6 into 3 minus 5. So 3 into 3 to the power 4 is 81 minus 4 nines are 36 plus 18 minus 5. So 81 3 are 324 minus 18 minus 23 equals to 301 is the remainder, which we can find without dividing. Okay. So write the notes and start solving the sheet which I have posted in assignment, and then ask if you have any doubt about it. I am posting there sheet also of this topic, and write notes first and post them in chat only. In WhatsApp only.